Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I miss you guys so much. Thank you so much for subscribing and watching my videos. I really appreciate it. For more content, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. I really appreciate it. I just wanted to get on here and do a little unboxing. I got my IPSY package for the month. Actually, this is my first one, so I'm really excited to get into it. And in my last video, I talked about masks, so I wanted to get into a couple masks. And for the next couple of videos, I want to do a couple masks for you guys and give my impressions. I've discovered a couple new masks, and there's a couple masks that I already have and want to just show you guys. But besides that, I just want to know how you guys are doing. I know the pandemic is still going on, and it's really taking a toll on a lot of us. So I just wanted to take a minute and say, you've made it this far in 2020. And I know it's so sad to say that, but this is the truth. We've made it this far, so just keep pushing. You're doing amazing, and I'm always here if you guys ever want to talk or do any, like, I guess hang out or whatever via virtual, because I'm trying not to hang out with people as much as possible, and it's so sad, but at the same time, I just want to be as safe as possible, especially, you know, I have elder family, and I just want to make sure I'm taking care of them and I'm taking care of myself as well. And please, if you're out in public, please wear a mask. I know a lot of counties are making it mandatory now and giving out fines, but besides that, please wear your mask. It's really important for us to wear masks, not also for our own safety, but for the safety of others. So I really appreciate that. Anyways, back to our scheduled unboxing. So this is my first time getting the IPSY, and I just thought it was really cool to try this. So they come with like a little pouch. I got two cute masks, so we're gonna try one today. And comes with a little pouch, which, look at how freaking cool this is. And inside the pouch comes with products, which we're gonna look at later. So today I want to try one of these. So I'm actually going to try this one. This is the Juice Up Tomato Mask, Tomato Juice a Day. Tomato Juice a Day keeps trouble away. Oh my god, I don't know why I had so much trouble with that. Anyway, so we're going to get into this. This is made in Korea. It's good for 15 to 20 minutes. So after cleansing your face, use a toner and refine your skin. Take the mask out of the package and spread it evenly, avoiding the eyes and lip area. Remove after 15 to 20 minutes. So we're going to get into this. I love Korean skincare, as I said before. So I'm very excited to try this. So it comes like this. And then it's a sheet mask, of course. So we're going to open this up. I'm trying to be really careful while opening this because I don't want to drip any of the juices. And then we're going to gently put this on my face. Okay. So here we go. Okay, I realize my forehead is a little small for this mask, so I'm just going to tilt this over. We're gonna avoid the eye area. Maybe I shouldn't have used a mascara. It's okay. I'm just gonna tap this in. I'm actually gonna put my hair up. I should have done that earlier, but it's okay. We're gonna avoid the lips. Oh, you guys see that dripping? I'm just gonna use the juice for my neck. Okay, so I have this on. I'm gonna come back in 15 to 20 minutes and give you guys my honest review of this. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes, and as you can see, this mask is like dry at this point. So my skin feels really hydrated. I actually really like this. The only thing that I didn't like from this is that it had fragrance in here. and you can like really tell when you smell it. It has fragrance, but overall it's a good mask. I mean, I got it in the box, so I'm very happy with it. So now let's go in our little pouch. So this cute little pouch that comes in the box, or the bag that they ship it in, also has this. It's a peach iced tea. This has it's like a lotion that you, yeah, it's a body cream, so it's like a lotion. So let's try this. Does it have a thing? Yes, I love when products have a seal. Yes. Because, you know, especially when you go to the store, like, you don't want people trying the products that you are about to. Oh, this also has fragrance. We're gonna try this. Very smooth. Yes, very smoothing, very, very nice. However, it doesn't have fragrance. So I'm learning to slowly stay away from fragrance because I realize not only do a lot of people have allergies, but it's also like most of the fragrance have alcohol in it, and that's really not good for the skin. Oh, I put way too much on here. I'm just gonna dab some on my legs. I mean, overall, it's very moisturizing. Like, you can see the effect. It's really moisturizing. However, it does have a lot of fragrance in it, so I'm not really like too happy about that. So the next product is this, and this is eye cream by Tony Moly. Never heard of that brand before. Okay, so this also has a seal on it. I love it. That's perfect. So we're gonna take off this seal, and we're gonna, if this decides to come off, we're gonna hydrate our under eyes. So I'm taking a very tiny amount, as you can see. It says apply an appropriate amount under eye area and massage gently in a circular motion. Use twice a day. So we're gonna grab this circular motion under our eyes. Well, under my eyes. Wow, it's very hydrating. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's very hydrating. I actually really like this product. Okay, next we're gonna go in here and grab, this is a Kit and Smink lip crayon. This also has a seal. This is the next product. It's the Kiss and Smink. So we're gonna try it. Ooh, the lip crayon. Ooh, this is actually a really nice color. The weather's been a little drying, so my lips are really dry, even though I put the Laneige sleeping mask on for the past like 5 nights. That's actually a really nice color. I love having a fresh face like this and then just putting on a pop of color. It just gives me like a really nice effect, especially we're just putting on mascara and the lip and like having a glowing face and just going to the stores or something like that. Anyways, the last product we have is this Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist right here. So I've actually never tried this skin mist, so we're gonna give it a swirl. Not a swirl, we're gonna spray it. Ooh, it smells. Ooh, smells so good. I actually really like the smell. I know a lot of people, like a lot of my friends, complain about the smell of Tatcha, but I actually really like it. But anyways, thank you for coming to my unboxing and my mask review. Actually, product review overall. I really like the products, and I'm actually digging this like no foundation, concealer, glowy skin, lipstick look. Let me know what you guys think. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!